Okay, so this is a tutorial for the 4 false shuffles. This is one. Alright. Then just reverse that. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. Okay, let's learn all 4 right now. So the first one is going to be ta as for right now. That's just a demonstration of the 4 false shuffles, by the way. So for the first false shuffle, you need to be aware with the algorithms first and foremost. Your cube is going to be different, but for tutorial sake, I'm going to have green facing towards me, yellow up. And the algorithm is pretty simple, so follow me. So for this left side, you're going to bring it up. We call it left prime, or actually L prime. So bring that up with your left hand. Now with the index finger of your left hand, you're going to turn it counterclockwise, and it's called U prime. So with your index finger, go. Now with the right hand, and by the way, you're holding the cube like this. The index fingers on the top side, the ring fingers on the bottom side. Now, with your right hand, it's going from here to here. Your middle finger and thumb are going to grab the middle, and you're going to turn this front part 2 times. We call that F2. F2. And with the ring finger, it's going to move this rightwards. We call that B2. So here, B2. No, oops. 2. And then I regrip back to the default position. And with the index finger of the right hand, you do U2, which is turning this clockwise twice. 1, 2. Then it looks mixed up. And then to reverse it, it's U2, U2. Then I regrip again. B2, F2. Instead of U prime and L prime, it's actually the reverse. So it's U, and that's done with the index finger of the right hand, and you just bring this down with the left hand. Slow motion again. Boom. Boom. Regrip with the right. Boom. Boom. With the ring finger. Boom. Boom. Then go back to default position. Boom. Boom. And the great thing about this is that it generally looks mixed up, except for the bottom, of course, because it's in a solved state. Then to reverse it, it's U2, B2, F2, if I can reach it, then U, L. Medium speed, or should I say quarter speed, will be like this. Then I pause. Then there. Now in full speed, it should look like this. And you can feel free to rewind the video if you like. So that's false shuffle number 1. False shuffle number 2 is easier. Now, this utilizes moving these 2 layers. Only 2 layers only, no single layers. Now, with your ring finger, it's going to be on these 2 layers vertically, and it's going to turn it vertically, and you're going to do it 2 times. So with your ring finger, go 1, 2, and CFOP algorithm is called, I would like to call it lowercase r2. And then with this is a U prime, except we're doing it twice. Lowercase U prime in CFOP algorithm, 1, 2. You can add that with the first false shuffle if you like. And to reverse it is literally little u prime twice, 1, 2, little r2, 1, 2. So this one is self-explanatory. You can rewind the video if you want. But essentially it's this twice, this twice, then reverse it, this twice, little u prime twice, then little r2 twice. One more time, little r2, little u prime twice, now little u prime twice, little r prime, not r prime, but r2 twice, and that's that false shuffle. Now I'm only going to teach you 3 because the last one doesn't really look like a shuffle at all. But this one is essentially like this. Because if you take a look, this one, it doesn't look like you're mixing it up at all. Because you're moving like these 2 layers. And people actually don't seem to see that you're further shuffling it. This one is actually straightforward. So with the right piece, you're bringing it up. With the index finger of the right hand, you're going to move it clockwise. Boom. Then move the right part down. Then move it back up. Then with your index finger, turn it again. Then bring it down. Bring it back up. Now you turn it 2 times. 1, 2. And then you bring that down. And you're going to do this in fast speed like this, of course. So slower speed is going to look like this. Here, move it, down, back up, move it, down, move it twice, and then back down. This one is self-explanatory. I don't have to explain it too much in detail. Quarter speed, this is what it looks like in quarter speed. Full speed, it looks like this. It kind of looks like you're mixing it up a little bit. Now, if we take this solve, for example, we can apply the first 2. So, and then this, and then it generally looks mixed up. Then you just reverse that. Obviously, it will be more algorithms. And I messed it up. So those were the false shuffles. Now, if you did what I just did, which was that in the right-handed stack, you need to know how to solve a cube. You didn't have to follow with me on that, but with that in itself, you can apply the false shuffle. And if the algorithms are overwhelming, if there's like too many algorithms, then just stick with one of them. Then it's back in your stack, and then you can just solve it no problem. Or if you apply the third one, then it kind of looks like you're mixing it up a little, but not too much. At least if you do it fast, they'll think that you're mixing it up. And for the other one, if you do this, then it generally would look mixed up and there's no squares. Then you just go back and then you're back to your stack here. So my final thoughts, definitely learn how to solve a cube. That's only if you mess up the false shuffle. I mean, if you want to reverse it, then of course, if you screw up the false shuffle, the algorithm for it, then you could just go back to tutorial. And then you won't really stuff it up too much. And practice, you don't have to practice too much, but definitely practice the algorithms if you're straight up beginner. So, yeah, have good practice. And I'll see you next time.